Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. I know I promised you that next episode was going to be something to do with home building or that update on that Canadian neighbor's house, but there's just too much stuff going on in the community right now to bypass. So we will get back into our normal episodes very soon. But today's episode is something very special. It's got a little bit of something for everybody. So stand by, and hopefully you will enjoy today's episode. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. I'm standing just outside of City Hall in San Nicolas, and if you remember, San Nicolas 2.5 years ago was one of the sites of the great devastation of the Taal Volcano explosion. We are right outside the mayor's office, right here in the City Hall. Today, what the Rotary Club is doing, because you see I'm in my Rotary t-shirt today, we are delivering a mobile clinic to this community. We're going to talk a little bit about San Nicolas, about how it has bounced back so much over the last 2 years, and because of the robustness and the resilience of this community and the mayor of this town. So let's go ahead and go inside, kind of look and see what's going on, and I'm going to show you a little bit of San Nicolas and the differences between 2020 and 2022. Now, what you see right behind me is a mobile clinic that the Rotary organization, our Rotary organization, Rotary Club Alipa South, is donating to the community of San Nicolas. This will help out with instantaneous assistance to people in need, go through the community to take them to mobile assistance where they won't have to drive deep into the city. So it provides medical help when and where it's needed. What I'm going to do, we're going to go over here and we're going to talk to basically the engineer who designed and built this mobile vehicle, take a look on the inside, and then we're going to go for some of the festivities, because today is sort of like the inauguration day of the vehicle being donated over to this community. So let's go inside and let's talk with Joel and have Joel, and it's actually his company. His company was the one that built the vehicle, did all the special metal works, and that's what his company does. And we'll ask him about some of the work that he did on the mobile clinic that we have here. Hey, can you kind of explain what you did inside here?
Okay. Hi, good morning. I'm the Pipi Jolan de los Reyes of Rotary Club of Alipa South. This is the water tank.
Water tank?
Yes, it's a water tank. Maybe 60 liters. Yes.
And that provides the water to the sink?
Yes.
The sink? Okay.
The sink. And at the lower portion, this is the water waste storage.
Water waste storage, so they can dump it out later when they complete?
Yes. Water waste storage at the lower portion. Okay. Then we have a cabinet. Okay. This is a bed for if ever
for the patient to be in here?
Yes, the patient.
Okay. It's got aircon?
A dual aircon. Okay. This is a aircon, and what do you call this?
That's your breaker panel? That's your power entry? You got exhaust fan over there?
Exhaust fan, yes.
Look at that. And is this running off the batteries of the vehicle?
Yes, with the battery. And we have also a generator.
And then we can do your blood pressure?
Blood pressure and oxygen tank.
Oxygen tank?
Yes.
Very important, especially for the elderly of the community. Scale?
Yes.
Scale for weighing?
Okay. And non-contact infrared thermometer.
Okay. And a stethoscope. Every doctor has to have a stethoscope inside.
And
for pulse?
Yes, for
put
pulse.
your finger inside there. Oxygen regulator. You got a ref.
Personal ref. Oh yeah.
Got the ref inside here.
And also
mobile wheelchair.
Wheelchair. And window.
And the window. That window. Okay.
And outside.
Now, Joel, who is going to be the physician, the doctor, the resources that are going to man this? Is it local community, or Is it like Doc Pete, or who's going to be doing some of the assistance to the people?
Makatulong sa community itong mobile clinic. For example, kung magtuturok ng anti-COVID test, pwede nilang gamitin ng RHU, yung Rural Health Unit ng San Nicolas, Batangas. Okay,
You got a place to sit right there.
Chair,
Let's look on the outside. Show me some of the stuff that you did to the outside of the vehicle.
No power, you use the generator.
But right now it's running off the battery.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We have also a box, hose for the end of water,
Okay.
and exhaust of water, then battery.
What you have?
And 20 meters wire.
Huh?
This is the water in. If you loading the tank, you put the hose here.
Okay.
And
That's how you service the water.
yes, yes, service
Okay.
what? Yeah. Then this is the drainage.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. you folks have been waiting on. We're actually back at the site from 2.5 years ago here. We're at the volcano inside our background right here. We're going to try to do another flight. It's kind of misty. We just went through a lot of rain, so we're going to try to get out there as quick as possible. Anyway, I want to ask the folks here that actually live and work in this area what it has been like over the last 2 years, how the recovery's been going.
Nung nakaraang 2 taon, paano kayo nakabangon ulit?
Po ma'am, tuloy-tuloy po aming hanap buhay. Pagka nasira lahat ang aming playsdaan, tapos nagpanibago na uli.
Yeah, they have recovered well, and even though their fishing industries fell, they were able to get out.
I can see everything is like back to normal again. The roofing is all back, looks all repaired, and it looks like there's been some expansion
And
done since the
also the
last time.
fishermen are back.
So everything looks good. Okay. Well, thank you. Salamat. Maraming salamat. And I don't know if you realize it, but it's pretty late here at night. I brought all the video clips here to Villa Feliz after the event in San Nicolas today and Taal Volcano. And I got so excited to put this all together. And then I got to the very end of the editing and I realized, oh, I didn't have a closing. So this is the closing for today's episode. Today was an exciting day. The exciting day with our trip, releasing the mobile clinic to the fine folks in San Nicolas, and I know it's going to get a lot of great use. And I want to thank the mayor and his wife, Mayor Sagun and his wife Lyre, for giving us the opportunity to do some of the video around their community. They're always so kind. They were kind to us the last time we visited them as well, back in 2020, right after the volcano erupted, when we were working with the evacuees there. Also, speaking of the volcano, it was really exciting to revisit the volcano itself. You take a look at the comparison between the one that we did the month after, 30 days after it erupted in January 2020, and what it looks like today, and tell me what you think in the comments section. So I need to finish doing the editing on today's episode because tomorrow is a big project going on here at Villa Feliz, and I said it was a secret, and I'm gonna keep my lips sealed right here because it's a big project that's going on, and I think you're going to enjoy that as well. And that's coming up. You'll probably see that in about a week. All right, well, let's go ahead and close for now. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.